Hi, this is Robert with Web Active Directory, and this is a look at some of the other options you have for provisioning user accounts in systems other than Active Directory when provisioning a user using Web Active Directory's PeopleProvision. Here we are in the provisioning rules page. If you're familiar with provisioning rules in the software, you know that you can set up rules by a user's location, title, and other attributes, control various things about them, things that happen once they're provisioned. You can see some of these things you can control here, such as their login script, that will get executed when they're created, their home drive, the home drive letter, etc. One thing you can control also is whether accounts are also created in Microsoft Exchange, Google Apps, and or Office 365 when a user is provisioned into Active Directory. Provisioning rules are powerful in that they inherit these characteristics or actions from more general rules. So if you want to do the same thing for your entire organization, great, you just have to configure a single rule. But if you want to do something different for different kinds of users, you can do that by overriding these settings in more specific rules. Here we see that for a user provisioned who is part of a particular middle school, that they're going to be created also in Google Apps and added to a particular Google group. So here when we go to the provisioning page and enter a particular user, fill out that location of that middle school and give them a title of grade 7, maybe a student ID here and a mobile phone number. When we provision the user by pressing the button there, the user is created in the OU in Active Directory according to the provisioning rule that we've created here in an OU that's corresponding to their graduation year. The software calculated that from the grade that was selected, the 7th grade. But they're also created in Google Apps in this case because we told them to be created there. So here if we go into Google Apps, sign into the dashboard, and look at the users, we see that user Tom Jones created in Google Apps. That's it. That's some of the options that you have for provisioning users in systems in addition to Active Directory in Web Active Directory's PeopleProvision.